Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install Android 5.0.2, the official lollipop for the Sony Xperia Z. So the update is rolling out at the moment. I've got the C60603 model and it's currently running Android 4.4.4 KitKat. But the update, what you're going to install, it's for the C602 model, but I've flashed it onto this device, the C60603 model, and it runs perfectly fine. There's no issues or anything with it. I made a video showing it. You can check out the video in the description down below. So bear in mind, if you've got the C60603 model like me, once you flash it, it's going to change the model number to C6602, but don't worry about that. Like I said, the firmware runs perfectly fine on this model. So just bear in mind that it's going to change the model number, that's all. So if you want to do this, you can go ahead and proceed. What you need to first of all do, you need to back up any important files on your phone. Just in case it wipes your phone clean. So make sure you back up all important pictures and videos. And then the next thing you'll need to do is you'll need to download Flash Tool. So this is it here. I'll leave a link to the download in the description of where to download Flash Tool from. So this is the site it'll take you to. Just click on the download link and you'll download Flash Tool. And store it on your desktop like I've done. This is how it'll look. So once you download it and store it on your desktop, just click on it and open it up. Then select yes. And then hit next. And here it'll say destination folder. Where do you want to save it? You can save it wherever you want. Just save it anywhere where you'll remember where you put it. I normally save it on the desktop to make it easier to find. So once you save it on the desktop, it'll create a folder like this. Just name it Xperia Z Flash Tool like I've done. And when you open it up, this is how it'll look. And another thing you'll need to do is you'll need to download the stock Android 5.0.2 lollipop FTF file. So this is the firmware here, Android 5.0.2. I'll leave a link to that in the description down below also. So just download both these two files, Flash Tool and the stock Android 5.0.2 lollipop firmware. Then go back to Flash Tool, open it up, open up the firmwares folder, and then drag and drop the lollipop firmware into the firmwares folder. And then back up out of there. Then select Flash Tool. Select yes. You'll get a little pop-up box saying please wait until the end of process. So just be patient, it takes about a minute or two to do its thing. Okay, next thing you need to do is select this little flash icon here. Oh, hold on, just press cancel. Next thing you need to do is you need to connect your phone to the USB cable. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Okay, so once it's connected, it should say device connected with USB debugging off. Now just go ahead and select the flash icon here and select flash mode. Hit OK. And then find the stock lollipop firmware. This is it here. Just click on it and now it should say preparing files for flashing. So that's going to take a few minutes to prepare. So just be patient. Okay, so now it says unplug the device, so just unplug it, turn the power off, and now press the volume down button. Don't press anything else but the volume button. The volume down button, sorry. Don't press anything else but the volume down button. And connect the phone to the USB cable. And now it should start flashing, as you can see. So here we've got this little progression bar here. You can see it's green and it needs to get right to the end, and then we're done. The phone will then reboot and we should be running Lollipop, the official Android 5.0.2. Okay, so we're halfway through now. Okay, so it's still got a few more things to flash. Just remain patient. It's almost done. Okay, so the little green bar's moving again. And we're done. So as you can see here, it says flashing finished. Please unplug and start your phone. So just unplug your phone. And power it on. And right away you can see that the Sony logo, the Sony Xperia branding there, it's a lot bigger now. And we've now got boot sound, just like on the Sony Xperia Z2 and Z3. First boot does take a while, so once again just be patient. Okay, so it's almost done. And because it's the Taiwan firmware, that's why you see all the Chinese writing there. So just go through the setup process. And now, this is it. Android 5.0.2 lollipop. This is the official firmware. As you can see there, Android 5.0.2. And the model number's changed to C6602. But like I says, don't worry about that. Still works fine. So we've got lollipop on here now. And as you can see, the whole process only took 19 minutes. So it's real simple to do. Like I says, just make sure you back everything up before you do this, because it does wipe your phone clean. So yeah, this was just a quick tutorial video showing you how to install the official Android 5.0.2 lollipop onto your Sony Xperia Z. If at any time you want to downgrade back to KitKat and do the over-the-air update to lollipop, you can do. I'll leave a link to my downgrade back to KitKat tutorial in the description down below. Just watch that video and it'll put KitKat back onto your phone, and then you can just go into system updates and update it over the air back to lollipop if you want to do that. But yeah, this was just a quick video showing you how to install lollipop. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you've not hit it already, and thanks for watching this video. I'm out. Deuces.